Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to share with you a brand new subscription service. Well, new to me anyway, and it's by a company called Material World. Now, they are an online subscription service that deals with higher end designer fashion that is pre-owned. So if you're like me and you like designer labels but you don't like paying the designer prices, then this might be a service that you would be interested in. I found them online. I went to their website, I signed up. You get a box monthly and you can pause that at any time. The fee is $25 to have your own personal stylist. They will pick 5 items based on the information that you give them in your questionnaire. It took about 5 days probably for me to receive the box. You have 4 days to go through and pick out whatever you want to keep. They send you a return postage paid mailer to send back anything that you don't wish to keep. The $25 will go toward anything that you do want to keep within the box, and if you buy the entire box, it's a 20% discount for the entire box. So I am loving it. They also offer, if you are wanting to clean out your own closet, they have a list of all of the brands that they accept, and you can go online and sign up to have a mailer sent to you, and you can send them any of the items, designer items that fall within their guidelines that you aren't using anymore that you want to sell to them. So it's it can go both ways. You can buy from them, you can sell to them. So great. But anyway, so I got my box I think on Friday, and so yeah, I just wanted to share with you what they sent me. So the first item that I had in my box was a pair of boots by the brand Tibi. These are sold at like Nordstrom, Saks, all your higher end department store chains carry this brand. These were a pair of brown tall boots. They are the Vlada boot. Block heel, beautiful brown rich leather color. I really love these, and there is like no signs of wear on these at all. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. They are so pretty. They are in such wonderful condition. These new retail for around $695. These in this box today are $117. So $695 versus $117. You know, I don't know. I kind of love them, but we will try them on and see what they look like on. Okay, and the first clothing item that I have in my box is a little cold-shouldered top, and this is by the brand Parker. If you know anything about the brand Parker, these little tops new go for about $200, in the $200 price range. This one is $70, so $200 versus $70, and it looks immaculate. Like, it looks like it's never been worn, honestly. So we'll try that on, see what we think about that. Okay, and one of the things that I had requested in this box was a pair of faux leather pants. And so they found me a pair of J brand jeans that are the faux leather. These are the Maria J brand skinny jeans. New, these retail for about $278. In this box, this pair of jeans is $54. These are dry clean only. They are super cute. I can't wait to try these on. Okay, the next item that I have is a little top. It's a little lace top. It's by the brand, and I'm probably going to butcher this, it's by the brand Joie. my French is terrible. I did take 2 years of French in high school, but I'm from Tennessee, you know. It just doesn't really sound like French. Anyway, this is by the brand Joie. These little tops new are in the $200 range as well. This one in this box is $70. I don't really know about the lace, but we'll definitely try it on. I don't like things that I have to find a tank top to wear under. You know, I don't want to have to. I want something that I can put on and go and be done with it. But anyway, we'll try it on. Okay, and so the last thing in my box is a jacket by the brand IRO. I-R-O. These jackets, and it is a lot. It's a lot going on. It's got leather trim. It's got some gold. I don't know if the camera's really picking that up. It's got like a gold thread woven into it. It's got a belt. It's a lot. It's got a lot going on. These jackets, though, new, run around $600. They're in the $600 range. This one in this box is $104. So $600, $100, you know. I don't know. We're going to try these on and see what we think. I will be back in just a second. Hey guys, I am back and I have on the faux leather J brand jeans. These in the box are $54. $54 for J brand jeans. Oh my gosh, you guys. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what they look like. Back up. They are very cute. They're very stretchy. They're very comfortable. I put them on with the little knee-high boots, the little Tibi boots. The boots have a very high heel. They are the Vlada boot. I'm gonna try to move you down and show them to you. If I can get my tripod to cooperate with me. I stinking love these. They, however, are too small. I'm a little bit sad about that, especially to get a pair of $600 boots for $100. So I guess one of the cons with this service is that when something doesn't fit, you can't just send it back in and exchange it for a size that does fit. It's kind of a one of a kind thing. So that's something to consider as well. But I love these boots. I so wish they fit me. I'm so sad about that. Okay, so I grabbed the little jacket by IRO, I-R-O. It is a beautiful combination of colors. It's creams and browns and golds, and then it has like this dark chocolate leather trim that is just amazing. It's a lot going on. It has this belt around the bottom, and I'm just really not completely sure what to do with it. It's very long, and I don't really know what to do with it. The cuffs, the sleeves are actually long enough, which is kind of an accomplishment for me because I have really long arms. But the cuffs are really loose and floppy, and I'm not really crazy about that. It has the little elbow patch leather parts. I'll show you the back. So the brown leather trim would match these brown boots so perfectly. If I just knew kind of what to do, if I just knew what to do with this darn belt. I don't know. Could somebody help me out here? So yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking no. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm back now with the little top by the brand Parker. It has the little cold shoulders. It has like the little drapey sleeves. The straps are adjustable. I do like that. It feels like silk, but it isn't. It's 100% polyester actually. Here it is from the back. This one is $70, and again, Parker, if you buy it at Nordstrom, unless you get it at the rack or on sale or on clearance, it's going to run you upwards of $200. So it is a very, very cute little top. I like it. Okay, this is the little top by Joie. I had to go hunt down a tank top to put under it to be able to show it to you, because it is a little sheer lacy top. It has 3/4 sleeves. It's flowy, it's loose. It's very cute. This brand sells for upwards of $200 new. This one is $70 in this box. My only dislike is that I would have to wear something under it. And I know that this also came in black. And I would rather have had it in black. That might be something that I should try to hunt down on Poshmark. But anyway, yeah, so it's still a very cute little top, very cute little top. So I will be back in just a second with my final thoughts on this Material World box. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on this Material World box are, they sent me some really nice stuff. I'm pretty impressed with it. I am impressed with the quality of the items, the fact that they look immaculate, they look brand new, like they've never even been worn. I will definitely give this service a try again. I don't know if I'm going to keep anything out of this box, simply because the boots I love, but they don't fit me. They're just too small. The J brand jeans, the little faux leather jeans, I really like them, but they're not high-waisted, and I'm kind of in the high-waisted thing right now. The jacket, I don't know what to do with it. I'm just going to be honest with you. It's a lot, and I don't know what to do with it. So it's just not for me. The Parker top is beautiful. However, I have several tops that are sort of remind me of it. They're kind of like that already in my closet. The Joie top, I don't think I'm going to pick it up, simply because I don't want to have to search for a tank top to wear under it. I did a major closet purge a few weeks ago before I started doing all these subscription boxes, and I made myself a promise that if I didn't absolutely love something, that I wasn't going to pick it up, regardless of the price or how good of a deal it is. If it's not something that brings me joy, I'm just not gonna get it. So so with this box, the $25 styling fee, if I don't get anything, I will have lost that, and that's okay. You can, like I said, you can get it monthly. You can have it shipped to you monthly. You can pause it at any time. I like the service. I have nothing bad to say. The only cons are, like I said, if something doesn't fit, like the little boots, you can't send it back in and say, hey, I want to swap it out for another size. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'll leave all the information below. I'll also leave a link for Material World if you'd like to give it a try yourself. So thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me. If you would like to like and subscribe to my channel, I would be so honored to have you do that. Leave me a comment, say hi, let me know what you thought about the items. And yeah, so until next time, bye.